Drones are more than mere machines. They are cultural artifacts that symbolize our technological prowess and societal anxieties. They embody the dual nature of being tools of war and agents of creativity. As we delve into the enigma of drones, we'll explore their evolution from military tools to cultural icons, reshaping how we perceive technology and its role in society. The dream of flight laid the groundwork for drone technology. Early visions of pilotless flight emerged during World War I, setting the stage for future innovations. The Cold War era marked a significant leap in drone technology, with military drones becoming operational fixtures, transforming warfare and surveillance. Predator and Reaper drones revolutionized remote warfare, offering precision strikes but raising ethical concerns about surveillance and collateral damage. These drones embody both hope and fear, symbolizing modern military strategies' dual nature of precision and ethical detachment. The 2010s saw drones transition from battlefields to backyards, democratizing aerial vision and creativity for consumers worldwide. Consumer drones reshaped cultural practices, blending mobility and communication, allowing us to reimagine landscapes and engage with communities in new ways. Drones have become embedded in diverse cultural practices, offering a multi-sensory experience that extends human senses into the sky. Drone enthusiasts find joy and agency in aerial exploration, likening the experience to walking a dog or dancing through the air. Drones reconfigure vision, offering a bird's-eye view that challenges traditional cinematic techniques with dynamic movement and sublime aesthetics. Drone aesthetics evoke both awe and emotional proximity, creating an effective distance that immerses and detaches viewers simultaneously. Drones raise questions about airspace governance and privacy, serving as tools of both surveillance and humanitarian aid. They reshape affective relations, producing new sensory engagements and challenging our understanding of visibility and control. Drones are poised to become commonplace in urban logistics, inspiring speculative visions in art and fiction. They mirror our technological hopes and fears, shaping future skies and challenging us to consider the world we are building from above. Recap. We've journeyed through the history, culture, and aesthetics of drones, understanding their impact on society and our perception of technology. Takeaway: by embracing the potential of drones, we can harness their power for creativity and innovation, shaping a future that reflects our values. Call to action: let's continue exploring the world of drones together. Share your thoughts and experiences and join the conversation on how drones can shape our future. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of technology and culture. Let's shape the skies of tomorrow together.